Beautiful floral print chiffon dress on a beach. How's it? So let us start to illustrate. Before that, these are the colors to use. So I have already made the design and let us color it with blue first. I'm doing the bikini with blue watercolor, or you can choose any color according to your preference. But for me, blue is perfect for a beachwear thing. It gives the vibes of ocean, sea, and cool type. So this is the bikini. I'm doing it all with blue. Then touches of white to give shade of light. So the bikini part is almost ready. We will give a tie and dye types of print first. This will be your base print, and for that you have to take a lot of water and brush and then put any color you want to. I am adding green. With lot of water we have to just dab it on the dress. On the dress and on the bra also, on the bikini. Then do the same with another color. I am taking orange here. It is quite reddish orange. We have to give the effects of a chiffon fabric. So always keep that in mind, what fabric we are going to render. I'm adding yellow also. As you can see, I'm putting very light color on the skin because as you know, chiffon is quite translucent. So the body is visible in that dress, in that kind of fabric. So we are giving very light effect on the skin part. Doing with red, a carrot red color. And the basic is done. Finishing should be given with the pencil color. I'm using Stedler, blue Stedler on the bikini. Outline it and be careful while doing this. Let the dress dry, and after that you have to give floral print by pencil color. I'm giving it with red color. Look at my strokes. And after that we will merge it with water. But firstly draw flowers on a certain distance. You can make it congested also and put some water to merge it. Very little water to merge it. Do it everywhere on the dress as I am doing. You can draw any texture you want to. And then with yellow, doing it all over, repeating the same pattern and stroke. And the basic is done. Now we have to give print of the back side of the dress. So keeping in mind, we have to give very light handed strokes. As you can see, the flower is quite light in comparison to another flower. So with red and yellow, do it with very light hands. Because chiffon is translucent and the backside print is also visible at the front. So for that we are doing it with very light hands. Now this is all dry. With blue pencil you have to draw small flowers in between the red color flowers. Each red color flower, and do it with green on yellow flowers. Beautiful. Now coming to hair, doing it with yellow and then with black pencil color, give shades, give lines accordingly. Giving finishing it with everywhere with this pencil color, black pencil color. Our dress is almost properly ready and we are just now giving finishing. See how easy and how quick the illustration was. This is very easy and beautiful technique of floral and chiffon. And look how beautiful our beachwear illustration is done. Give finishings, give lines and merge it all over the dress. You have to show proper folds and effects with this color. This is the main part of illustration because without any fold or without any effect, the illustration is incomplete. You can't show a dress totally stiff. So for that you need to give folds. Merging it with yellow color. You can do it with green also as the dress has a green part more. And perfect. Now coming to the skin, brown Stedler I'm using for skin finishing. Just give outlines and merge perfectly. Coming to the legs, outline and merge, outline and merge. This is the basic technique. Coming to the heels, I'm doing it with sketch pen. You can do it with watercolor also or with a pen. This is very easy thing in our illustration. Done. Finishing it with a sketch pen. Now I'm outlining the skin as usual with brown pen. You have to do the outlining very carefully because this is the last part of illustration, and if your lines doesn't go well, it can ruin your illustration. So do it very carefully. And skin part is done. Coming to the hair, outlining it with black pen. Everywhere and on the dress also. The dress is looking superly hot and stunning. I love it. The illustration is almost done and you can see how and it is done. Wow. If you love it, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.